PSVR 2 showcase, premium PSVR 2 charge station and display stand. What?
That's cool, eh?
I like it. I never heard of this company, Collective Minds. I presume they are doing accessories.
Yeah.
Novel accessories for your gaming devices and such. I can see you can select console type. I always hate these accessories that have nowhere to go.
Mm-hmm.
These accessories that are just laying about.
And wires everywhere.
Wires everywhere.
Yeah.
I've gone through different stages in my life of wires where at some points I'm like, I am going to zip tie and tape and hide every wire. And then other times in my life, I'm like, rat's nest.
Yeah.
Rat's nest. I don't know. It depends. But anyway, this is nice because it has a little charge station to house everything for your PSVR 2. You can see the way the headset sits in there. It looks like it has a nice LED on the front. It looks like it's currently for pre-order. However, the price is really attractive as well. $29.99. I would have expected a little bit more for something like that because the PSVR itself is like, is it not like $500?
Something like that. But yeah, this is a nice little package.
Mm-hmm. What other kind of stuff do these Collective Minds do? Whoa. They do some different headset stuff. They do looking like battery pack or controller extensions. Look at that Strike Pack Eliminator. Holy cow. Well, these guys this is for your, those that are looking to tweak and tinker. Mod their consoles and such. What's Cronus Zen? Click on that. Is this like some sort of a 3D viewer type thing? Use almost any controller on any console. Supports every major platform. Oh, this thing converts, allowing you to use an Xbox or PlayStation controller on the other console? Oh, or mouse and keyboard conversion. I think this is letting you plug anything into your console, USB peripherals, and have them work properly. Cool.
Oh, cool.
Anyway, yeah, I just knew when I saw that first device, I'm like, these guys are probably making some interesting accessories. But anyway, PSVR 2, I heard, wasn't selling as well as Sony had expected. I don't know what's going on with the VR thing in general, what it's going to take for widespread adoption, but maybe it's one little charge dock / display stand.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what was necessary.